I just got landed at Krabi airport around 10 a.m. I got early check-in provided by the Holiday Inn Express Ao Nang. Very good service now so far. Okay, this is my room at Holiday Inn Express Ao Nang Krabi, and I just got free upgraded to pool view room, so I can see the pool over here. So nice. Yeah, on my way to the islands to Got Pong. So this is the car that's picking me up. We are at the first stop for the tour. It's called Lounging Island. It's quite busy as you can hear many boats coming to the shore. They will leave me here about half an hour, so just do some swimming. Not much snorkeling here. It's very smoky. How to say? The water is not really clear. Not much people in the afternoon. So if you want to come to this trip, maybe you should look for an afternoon trip. With that small beach. This is the beach. It's like 100 meters long. From here to here, and that's where our boat waiting for us to go to another snorkeling. So I'm at the Hong Island now. So quiet. Just only our group, and we have to walk from like this moving pier, and they will leave us here till like 5, and we're going back to the mainland. Just walk around, and I found that there's another side of the beach with the sunlight, so I'll maybe take a dip in that place, because this side is nice, but it's actually in the shadow of this cliff. So I'm walking to this one, which is quite bright, so I'm going to play with my Gopro and hope I can get some nice underwater shot. It's 5 p.m. now, and I'm heading back to the boat. Actually, they can let us stay like 5:30, but I kind of thirsty, so I go get some drink on the boat. So it was a great decision to make a quick tour in the afternoon today. So it's 1,200 baht, and it's definitely worth it. And I much enjoy my afternoon today, and I got many Gopro photo. I got many Instagram posts, and it's not much people here, so it's very quiet. So beautiful, right? Bumpy pier. I think they put me in some like a lagoon here, and the water is so low, so we can walk, and the boat just right here, and we came in from there, and this is like a heaven on earth. So beautiful.